We're on the 20th floor, which is the top floor, and we're going to explore the amenities that are up here. And this is a fun floor. So let's start with over here. This is the 2400. This is the fitness center. And wow, this is great. Look at this. Okay, so first of all, that's probably a 30-foot ceiling, especially at the top over there. So that already just feels majestic. There's concrete top on there, so and then exposed ductwork. So it's got a good loft feel in here. Look at these amazingly tall windows. This is awesome, truly stunning. That's just amazing. I love it. It really sets the mood and sets the tone for a beautiful gym experience. So let's start with what's over here. We've got some dumbbells, a nice set over there. Let's see, it looks like we've got some beautiful equipment over here, and it's very well maintained. It's so clean. I'm looking at this equipment, and you can't even tell it's used. It's just beautiful matrix equipment. There's that's more for just using the dumbbells and sitting down, but then this is actually some leg press. That looks like some more leg curl kind of equipment that's there. And it looks like you've got some pulley, so getting your shoulders and arms there. So you've got that covered. And then you've actually got some barbells too. So actually I like that. I haven't seen that lately. So the barbells are already preset and ready to go. You've got some matrix equipment over here too, and more arm, chest press, shoulder press, more equipment over there. You've got where you could do a regular bench press over here and a squat, and got some pull downs and arm type activity over here. And then you do have two matrix kind of stepping machines, and then you've got 4 treadmills that are over here. In between or surrounding it is you have more of that beautiful wood feel that's in here. So the walls are that beautiful hardwood, and absolutely love it. You can bring guests here too. So the guests are allowed. And then let's go over here. I just saw something when I was checking this out. So this is, it looks like a filtered water machine, but this was what I was more interested in. This looks like a pre-sealed fresh towel, and it's eucalyptus. Oh my goodness, I am loving that. So how fun is that? Okay, so let's explore this room over here. It's like a spin room, and let's walk in. So this is a spin room. It's like a spin studio, and with your beautiful views over here, what a great place to exercise and do spin. And then also there is a great amount of equipment over here, so you really could do some personal training in here. You can do some group training in here. It's a really fun room, and I love all the wood. The wood is just really adding to it. And look at this really unusual ceiling fan. I don't think I've ever seen something like this. Wow, that's just kind of huge. I just love how big the blades are. It's just amazing. So anyway, beautiful area, and then it's all got the backdrop of just you're on the 20th floor, so you're seeing just some fantastic buildings and just a great, beautiful gym here.